Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to require or force a game or application to use either the built-in graphics on your system, dedicated GPU on your computer. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to settings, open it guys. Here you want to go to system over here and you want to go to display over here. In display, scroll down guys, related settings, you want to go to graphics, and here search app field, go ahead and search whatever application or game you want to change high performance for it. Want to search here. For example, I'm changing Microsoft Store guys. Go to options and you can use power saving mode and you can use high performance. I'm say about this only guys. This is GPU performance may cause undesired behavior for this the app. For this app only guys, your gaming apps good to go guys. You can save it like this, and that's it. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.